Welcome everyone. Today we'll have a demo on how to fill in the basic company details, that is quick start, and to fill in your masters. Once you log in into a software, the first icon, that is we click on GST. Under GST, the first module, quick start. It is the easy way to fill in your masters. Under quick start, the first, company setup, where you fill in the basic details about the company, the code, name, PAN of the company, address, state, the contact person, and you can upload the company logo, which shall be reflected in your invoice. Next, we move on to list of GSTINs. Since GST is state specific, the company has to specify the GSTN number of each of the state in which it is registered. We'll edit a record. Tax type shall be by default India GST. The state we have selected is as Maharashtra. GSTIN of Maharashtra, and the tax registration name shall be automatically populated. Taxpayer type, it shall be a normal taxpayer, composition taxpayer, non-resident taxpayer, input service distributor, and finally an e-commerce operator. Trade name. If the company wants to trade in a different name than its original company's name, the same can be mentioned here. The date of registration shall be the date on which GSTIN registration has been obtained. Gross turnover shall be for the period of April 2016 to March 2017. Aggregate turnover for April 2017 to June 2017. GSTIN username is the name that is being used in the GSTN portal and used for uploading your returns. Similarly, the company can enter all the state in which it has obtained the GSTIN number. Next, item master. Here we shall specify the products and services the company is providing. The first being the item group. These are the groups in which your product or services can be grouped into. It can be product and services, whereas in case of an IT company, it can be hardware, software. It can be added with the help of this plus button, so the groups can be added. Next, we move on to item code. You give to a particular product or services, name of your product and services. And next we move to item nature. It can be a capex good, inventory, opex, or services. In case the item nature is selected as services, SAC code is required to be mentioned. As a unique feature, we provide by default both the purchase and sale item. It can be ticked or unticked as per your requirement. If it is a sale item, we can provide the default sale rate of the particular service or the product. SAC code, if at all you do not remember, we have a unique feature of search SAC code, where you can type the name of your service, which automatically gets copied in the SAC field. And if item nature is inventory, HSN code is required to be mentioned, which can also be searched. In case if it is a software, you can type on software and the same shall be copied. Next we move on to tax rate, which shall be 18%, 5%, 12%, 28%, and finally 0% as per the government notification. Next, we click on which a congratulation message shall be populated stating all the mandatory fields have been filled. Now we move on to masters. GSTIN, based on the information filled in the quick start, The details shall be populated here. The custom master, which can be filled manually or it can be imported. Customers are those to whom we sell our product or services. First, the item or the customer code, customer name, GSTIN of the customer if he is registered under GST, the address, the city or the state in which he is located, email ID and the website if available. Similarly, all the customers can be added. Vendor, from whom we purchase the products and services. Code of the vendor, the name, the GSTIN of the vendor. Taxpayer type can be a normal, composition or e-commerce. PAN, address, contact person, email and website. All the vendors can be added in the similar manner. Item or the service master is populated from the information filled in Quick Start. Bank master, to receive all your receipts and make payment, and for making payment of your taxes we need a bank account which can be added here. Bank code, the name, the branch where it is located, account number, GSTIN and IFSC code, address, email and website. As mentioned earlier, customer and vendor master can be imported by the predefined Excel template that is provided here. Here we need to mention the customer code, name, GSTIN and all mandatory fields as explained earlier. So which can be uploaded and imported here. And vendor master, for which we provide a predefined Excel sheet which can be downloaded and fill in the basic details and upload and import. Here we have come to the end of masters. In the next video, we'll see how to make transactions. Thank you.